I've been trapping all day. I've been trapping all day.
What up, Fancy Mafia? What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? So it is early as heck. So I'm in Raleigh, North Carolina right now, and I'm here with the gang, well, with Major, and I got my homegirl son, Man over here, and a monster. That's how early it is. I needed a monster to wake myself up, but we had to just, you know, come to Raleigh to handle some business. But in the midst, y'all already know that I had to find the kids something fun to do. So we're here at this park. It's called, what is it called? Pullum Park? I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. All right, so it's called Pullum Park, and we here, and then they have like little train sets. So I'm not sure if it's, I don't know if I have to get like a ticket or. Oh, it's a line. Major, come on, we gotta wait for a line. I thought this was just people standing. But we actually have to wait on this long line to get. Yeah, they got a train and everything. So I'm gonna get y'all until that. Major, say hi to YouTube. Say hi to our subscribers. Mama, you wanna say hi? No. Y'all something. Y'all something, I guess. Yeah, so we here. We gonna wait on this line and see what it's about. I don't know the prices. I don't know anything. I'm just trying to get them to have fun so we can pass some time because we gotta wait for his mama. Yeah, so what you said you wanted to, you can't wait until you're 17. Why? Huh? You don't know. They say that now, they can't wait until they get older, but then when they get older, they be like, damn, this is what life is about? Yes, this is what life is about. Alright guys, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and wait on this long ass line and continue to drink my Monster and try to wake up, guys, because I'm like half dead. So I'm gonna let y'all know what we do. Okay, stay tuned, stay in touch, love you.
Actually, yeah. I actually bargained.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, there was a meeting guy.
Oh, okay.
I was like, I want it for $20. He was like, I'll do 20.
It's like brother love, y'all, I swear.
It's something better than nothing.
What in the world, Major? I'm done. Y'all too cute. I swear y'all are. Alright guys, so we currently about to see if we can get on this train. I'm not sure if this is the train stop where you can get on and off, but we will figure it out. They are excited, so I'm happy if they happy. Major legs been a little bit bothering him, but he's okay. We gonna go over there to the little kids park. I'm so happy that I thought of this because we would have been bored for a few hours if I didn't Google this. Thank you, Google. Thank you, Google. I don't know how we get there. All right, baby. We're waiting for you, baby. We gonna wait for you. How your leg?
Okay.
It hurts a little bit. So I'm guessing you gotta get on my. I don't know where the train is supposed to stop or go.
It's about to go right there.
It's about to go over there. Y'all want to go over there? Come on. It might be over there.
Yeah.
So.
I just tried to tell you that.
You just try to tell me that?
Oh, we can sit up there and wait till the train.
The train is not going to pick you up. That's like, it's not going to come to you. We got to go to it. So yeah, we're going to wait on another long line. We should have just went to Six Flags in Jersey. Go down. Go in the back, y'all. So we about to get on this train ride. We gotta find a seat for all of us. Y'all wanna sit right here? Y'all think I can fit with y'all? Slide over me, man.
Are you ready, Aubrey?
Thank y'all. We on this train ride now, y'all. It's kind of nice. It's not hot. Huh?
When we ride the train, we skip the video ad.
Oh yeah. Let's wait until it start. Let's see how fast it's gonna go. Probably not that fast because the little kids gotta get on it. How you feel, Nathan?
Little baby better.
Oh, you're gonna pull her hair. Maybe I always want to fight. Say see you later. Say see you later. Say see you later, baby.
See you later.
You want to say see you later to me, baby?
Daddy here.
No. He said it low key, but then soon I put the camera in his face. He's like, but yeah, we gonna respect that too. All right, y'all. The train won't fall. Yeah, it's not gonna fall, y'all.
It might be too slow.
It's slow.
I go.
Stop, baby. You always do that. It's a nice train ride. It's slow and like calming. Oh, there's some more little palms. Huh? What you said, Papa? It's fun. Oh, this is nice, y'all. Look, Name trying to show you that over there. Look at this is water. Y'all, tell me why I'm maybe gonna try to grab my phone, talking about, I want to watch TV. Like, boy, we on this train ride. You better be looking around, talking about watch TV on my phone. Technology and kids, y'all. So sad, so sad. Alright. We are here back in the train station. Did you guys like it? So we just got off the train. We just got off the train. It was fun. I'm glad you liked it. I love to make y'all happy. Man is a little bit older, so it didn't really like phase him. But we gonna get him right. We gonna get him right. We need to go figure out. We need to go find the boat ride. Man look like he know where he going. Where you going, Papa? I mean, Man. You know where it's at? Or you just want to play? We gonna follow Man because Man said he know where he going. Okay? So, Man, you gotta wait for Major. You know his leg kind of hurting him. Man, you gonna wait for us, right? Yeah. How you know where it's at, though?
What?
How you know it's that way? You know where it's at, Major?
Yeah.
You do? Okay. Everybody know where it's at but me.
But me do.
You do too. Man, he found the boat. The boats, yeah. That's crazy. This is his first time here and he found it. I guess he seen it when we was. Yeah, we gonna go on the big boat. That's the one we're over there. Will you? Oh, that one not working, baby. You see, nobody was there. Nobody was in the kiddie boats. But we'll see. After this, we'll see how many more tickets. And if you want to go, then we'll go. Man, a big man. He a big boy. He know what he doing. All right, y'all. So, look. It's only... Who gonna paddle? Who gonna paddle? You gonna paddle? Yeah. You and Man can sit in the front, and I'll just sit in the back. Yeah. That scares me a lot. Look at the dog. This coming out of nowhere. You want to? Yeah, go see if you can touch it. I'm not sure it'll let you, but... Y'all gonna try? Where is it? I don't think... I don't think it wants you to touch it, Major. It's running from you. You just gonna follow it? Look at the. It's running from you. Don't want you to touch it. Oh. This. Y'all can't go over there. He's smart. He's smart. He knew. Look, he gonna come back, I think. Cause he don't want to be touched. Come on, y'all. Let's go over here now. We found it. So we about to go. I don't get in the water. I'm scared. So look, we all strapped up. We got our vests. Man got his vest on. He a big boy, so he not really like as nervous as me and Major. Whew. All right, Major, you steer. Don't bump, okay? Don't bump nobody. Major gonna steer?
Huh? I am.
Yeah.
Mine, don't feed the dog.
Major, turn this way. Yeah. And then turn that way. Yeah, don't feed the ducks.
Maybe tap.
Man paddling too. You can relax if you want. You want to just sit up? He's trying to reach the pedals. We not going nowhere, y'all. I need to pedal faster. I'm gonna pedal faster. We ain't going nowhere. Where you going, man? Where y'all stirring us? Look at the ducks, y'all.
You have to try to eat water.
They trying to eat the water.
Or drink water.
Or drink water?
Do ducks even drink water?
Yeah. Everybody drink water.
I'm going fast.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, let's chill out.
Let's see the train.
I see it. That's where we was at. Choo choo. Yo, hot is not even a word. I got tired of holding my keys.
Even they got
Hot is not the word.
tigers.
Y'all, that was like the dumbest thing that I could ever do is go on a little boat ride and it's 100 and some degrees. Oh my God. I'm hot, I'm sweaty. Yeah, they hot, they sweaty. Oh gosh. So we about to go on the carousel. Well, they about to go on the carousel. I can't. Major said it's taking so long. Major, you gotta sit down, boy. Sit. They didn't even want to get on the horses. Talking about they don't want to fall off. Where they at? Who's waiting? Wait, sit, y'all. Wait. They ready. Let me open this door and get it ready. You have fun? One more ride. Where? Which ride? What y'all want to do? The who? The park? We can go to the park. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. You say you're going to take the shortcut? Hey, we don't take shortcuts over here. Well, not like that. That's like jaywalking in Brooklyn. That's how you get a ticket. Just saying. So how y'all feel? Y'all okay? Yeah. Okay. Let's go find.
Pay for a ticket at the park?
No, you don't have to pay for a ticket. And even if we did, y'all could go. I told you I could do whatever. Major. Can you say hi?
No.
Yeah, no. Why Major hiding? Why are you hiding? Oh my god. Why you gotta be so different? I still see you. Major's so different. These some cute kids, man. I got baby fever. I got baby fever. Haha, negative. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. Yes, it's over. Mama's coming, baby. Alright, y'all. I think this is going to be like the last. Yeah, baby, gonna sit over here in the shade. If it's another seat, then we gonna go sit. Yes, baby.
You ready?
It is too hot. Man, we right here, okay? Alright, Fancy Mafia. So, we had a great morning, and it's time for us to go. We've been here at this park for about 3 hours. Man, too much money. We only came out here to pass time, and we wound up like literally having a full-blown day. I mean, this is, y'all want some popsicles? Yeah, we can get y'all some. Alright, guys, so, yeah, we about to just go ahead and do something else, probably hit some food. You already know McDonald's is the first choice for kids, so we might do that, get them some popsicles. And then, you want blue? He wants blue, and I'm sure Major wants red, so we gonna make it happen, guys. Until next time. What is up, guys? What is up? So we here eating, of course. Oh, it was McDonald's at first, but now it's Wendy's. So they over here eating and sharing a tablet. After this, that's about it. We ain't gonna really be doing anything else today, guys. So we're gonna end the vlog here, and yeah, we're just gonna end the vlog here. Okay, guys, I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, I love you, and stay supporting us. We love you, guys. We love it. We love it. We love it. So until next time, guys, peace. I'm out. Bye.